Well, the tree fell off this little branch all on its own. Hopefully you guys can hear me all right. I got my deal hooked up here. She's a little too something, but we're gonna work it out. But yeah, man, my plan, I guess, kind of happened on its own, and I'm happy that it fell on that side of the tree. So we're good there. I was gonna come down here and handle that, and I guess the storm took care of it for me. But you can see this set a little bit. If I remember right, this wasn't showing, so that must have been right on the surface. I know this was covered, so we did get a little bit of settling. Another thing that I wanted to do was get myself up out of here. Excuse me, in my yard. The reason I'm not mowing my yard right now, got some stuff ready, is because I'm going to start a little fire because it's all wet and I got some things I want to burn. I could easily just throw all this crap down in there, but it's just going to make more mess. And that's why I wanted to do it when it was wet. Not floating up either today or wait for another rainy week. Gotta get it in. Well, all right, guys, I'm basically going to start getting after this thing and bring it down, get it all parted up. A lot of it is some super good firewood. So I'm not, you know what would help? An electric chainsaw doesn't run without a battery. I'll be back. Okay, I have returned. Let's get this bad boy going. Yeah, I'm just gonna part it up a little bit. Hey, I might as well. This guy up here, I feel like it's resting on him. That's straight. Alright, I just want to come break off and kick the crap out of me. Here we go. That was the only thing I thought could come kicking back and really do some damage to me. Alright. Yeah, I was resting on that. It's nice that this tree is right here like that. I'm gonna stop it from rolling back into my path. Come on, baby. There we go. Alright. This thing does its job. Alright, well, I'm gonna just part the rest of this thing out and I'm going to start hauling them up there and break them up. I almost like it right here. I could clean this off just another little bit so it stays, but it almost creates like a barrier. This little brush pile out right here and make this whole thing cleared out nicely. This is our barrier. We don't really go over there. That's actually nice. I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna clean this up right here. So guys, I think that's pretty good for the day. Definitely safer, clearer skies and one less headache to worry about. I don't even think the kids have woke up yet. But I appreciate you guys kind of tagging along and watching what I'm doing down here. My controller for the RTR is actually coming today. That's between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. So I plan on getting that thing installed tonight. If I don't end up doing some kind of cool night ride, we're expecting rain, I believe. For sure tomorrow I'm going to get out and tear it up and hopefully throw something together. I'm excited to get the controller back and just see how the thing handles. So ain't got much else to say. I appreciate you guys hanging out again. Until the next time, peace.